Melanie. Hi, dear Lucy. How have you felt, Lucy? Hi, Melanie. I am not really well. I still have this horrible headache. Melanie. Oh, my friend, I am sorry. Do you have any medication for that? Lucy. Yes, I have. I am taking some pills, but they are not good at, at all. I am trying to get an appointment with my doctor to get another good medication. Melanie, that's a good idea. Do you want a cup of tea? Maybe it can help you with that headache. Lucy, I don't, but thanks so much. My mom is preparing me an herbal tea with lemon. Melanie, oh, does the herbal tea with lemon taste good? Lucy, I don't know. I just want to drink and I really hope it's help me will I see my doctor. Melanie, okay, I will go with you to the doctor right now. Lucy, I really appreciate it, dear friends.